Artificial intelligence, AI, is a technology that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as reasoning, learning, decision-making, and problem-solving. AI has many practical applications in various industries, such as healthcare. AI can help diagnose diseases, suggest treatments, discover drugs, analyze medical images, and improve patient care. Finance. AI can help detect fraud, manage risk, optimize portfolios, automate trading, and provide personalized financial advice. Manufacturing. AI can help optimize production, improve quality, reduce waste, enhance safety, and enable predictive maintenance. Retail. AI can help personalize recommendations, optimize pricing, manage inventory, improve customer service, and create engaging marketing campaigns. Transportation and logistics. AI can help enable self-driving vehicles, optimize routes, reduce traffic, improve safety, and streamline delivery. Energy. AI can help monitor and control energy consumption, improve efficiency, reduce emissions, and integrate renewable sources. Agriculture. AI can help monitor crops, optimize irrigation, detect pests, automate harvesting, and improve yield. Education. AI can help personalize learning, assess students, provide feedback, tutor, and create adaptive curricula.